Hey, do you know what carbohydrates are? Come on, let's find out together. Carbohydrates, or glucides, are one of the macronutrients along with fats and proteins. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy in our body. This includes fruits, vegetables, and grains. Carbohydrates can be divided into three different groups depending on their chemical structure. First one is under monosaccharide, which are the glucose and fructose. These are the simplest form of carbohydrates, and this includes fruits like banana, apples, or pears. Another type of simple carbohydrate is sucrose, which is under disaccharides, often called table sugar. Sweetened dairy products are some examples of foods that contain them. Lastly is the complex type of carbohydrates called polysaccharide. One example would be starch found in potatoes or rice. The first function of carbohydrates is energy production. Carbohydrates are broken down and transported through the bloodstream to supply energy to the muscles and tissues. Healthier carbohydrates are mainly found in plant-based foods like leafy greens, vegetables, fruits, and legumes. These foods are also rich in other nutrients to provide us with enough energy to carry out tasks like studying, sports, or playing. It's very important to include healthy amount of carbohydrates in our daily diet to avoid feeling tired or getting sick. The next function is protein sparing. While protein can provide us energy, it has many other life-sustaining functions. Having enough energy from carbohydrates allows proteins to do its other jobs. The third function is energy storage. Carbohydrates can be stored as glycogen, which can be easily converted back to glucose and used for energy. Less healthy carbohydrates are those that contain sugar and normally found in foods like pastries or candy. We should avoid them or eat smaller portions as they don't provide us with steady energy. If we reduce consumption, we would prevent diseases like diabetes or obesity. Remember, the first wealth is health. Don't deny yourself carbs, eat the right ones.